Hi, this is Phil from Projector Reviews. And while we talk a lot about projectors, we should because we're Projector Reviews, there's more to a great projection system than just a projector. So today, we're going to talk about another important component, and that is the source. Where are you going to get the content? Why invest in a premium home cinema if you're not going to feed it the best content? A great source ensures that your experience is not only consistent, but you're going to get the most from your system regardless of your budget. Streaming content is incredibly popular. Why? Because of its convenience. But in order to stream content, it needs to be compressed due to the limited internet speeds found in most homes. You also have to share your bandwidth with other devices in your home and sometimes your neighbors, and this can impact your consistency. As a reviewer, I want to be able to focus on the performance differences of the products I'm evaluating, not have to wonder if any kind of color banding or artifacts are due to slow internet speeds. This is why my favorite source is a Kaleidescape player, such as a Strato S. Kaleidescape is the industry leader when it comes to multi-room home entertainment systems that store and play back video and audio content at its full fidelity. So let's talk about why having a premium source player like a Kaleidescape is one of the best investments you can make to upgrade your entire system's performance. Ultra high quality content can extract the full performance from your existing components. It also ensures that you will benefit from an improved experience whenever you upgrade your projector or any other part of your home theater system. A Kaleidescape Strato S utilizes digital downloads, and it's easy to understand why downloading content into a Kaleidescape will ensure a better, more consistent experience than streaming. However, did you know that digital downloads often are better than the physical disc? Studios often have to compress 4K films by 10 to 40% in order to fit them onto a standard 66 gigabyte Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. So while many of us believe that physical content is always better, the reality is sometimes physical discs can be missing some of the information that the director or sound engineer intended for you to see or hear. Since there's no file constraints on Kaleidescape content, a Kaleidescape Terra server or Strato S movie player enables you to download movies directly to your home at their full fidelity. This ensures that you're not missing anything and you're not dealing with any fluctuations in quality because it's all downloaded and stored locally. With a Kaleidescape, you always get the full quality of the movie every single time once it's downloaded onto your system, even if your internet is down. Your content is going to look and sound amazing on any caliber of equipment. And the better the equipment you use, the better your content is going to look or sound. In addition, a Terra server or Strato S gives you the ability to store several hundred movies. So you can theoretically replace several bookshelves worth of discs with movie files that of the equivalent or better quality that are all stored on a unit that is no larger than 2 rack spaces. Personally, I have used a Kaleidescape player like a Strato S for years to do product reviews, trade show demos, as well as product shootouts because it provides me with a consistent demo experience at the highest quality. There's also a cool demo script feature, which makes it quick and easy for me to pull up my favorite scenes for demos and product evaluation. Buying a Kaleidescape movie usually costs about the same as the disc or streaming version. But sometimes you might not be sure if you want to own the movie. This is why Kaleidescape recently began offering movie rental options. Currently, there's 8,000 titles available to rent in the US. You get a full quality download that can stay on your system for up to 30 days. Once you start the movie, you have up to 48 hours to watch it as many times as you want. Also, during the 30-day period, if you decide you love this movie you rented and you want to own it, Kaleidescape will credit you half of the rental price towards the purchase. By adding a rental service, Kaleidescape makes it even easier to watch movies without the clutter of a physical disc or the lossy nature of streaming. Now, while we often associate movies with our home theaters, there's a lot of other great content you can watch on your home theater system. The Kaleidescape store also has hundreds of HD and 4K concerts available in high quality multi-channel surround. As I mentioned, a Kaleidescape movie player can improve the performance of any system. But for this discussion, I wanted to give you a couple of examples. So we at Projector Reviews, along with Kaleidescape and my buddies at Sound United, have combined our 100 years of experience and industry knowledge to design two amazing systems at two different price points. So whether you're an avid movie collector or you're just someone who wants to share an amazing audio and video experience with your friends and family, these two systems will do a great job. Now, these are just two basic examples of systems. There's hundreds of different options. The first system comes in at about $29,000. This is a no-nonsense home theater system that will work great in a media room as well as a dedicated home theater. So let's start with the receiver. For this system, we recommend the top-of-the-line receiver from Marantz, the SR8015. Marantz is one of the leading manufacturers when it comes to not only AV receivers but also hi-fi. So this is a great option for someone who wants to play back music as well as multi-channel movies, TV shows, and concerts. The Marantz SR8015 supports all of the latest surround sound formats, including Dolby Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, and DTS:X Pro. And it can easily power even the most demanding multi-channel speaker systems. When paired with a Kaleidescape Strato S, the SR8015 will deliver an outstanding surround sound experience while passing a clean 4K HDR video signal to your projector. For an immersive, impactful surround sound experience, you also need excellent speakers. A popular option would be Definitive's award-winning BP 9000 series loudspeakers. These speakers utilize a bipolar design which delivers a very wide soundstage and have built-in powered subwoofers. Even the center channel has an 8-inch subwoofer built in. Having powered subwoofers built into the mains, center, and the surround channels eliminates the need to dedicate floor space to external subwoofers, and it also ensures deep, powerful, even bass response regardless of where you're sitting in your room. Lastly, since the height modules are seamlessly integrated into the towers, you get an immersive 5.1.4 Dolby Atmos or DTS:X surround sound experience without having to mount additional speakers high on the wall or in the ceiling. A Kaleidescape movie player will ensure that the system delivers an immersive surround sound experience with pristine highs and deep, impactful bass. Since this is Projector Reviews, we definitely can't overlook the projection system. For this package, we chose the Sony VW295, which is the only native 4K projector available under $5,000. The unit utilizes 4K SXRD panels to produce a sharp image with accurate colors and deep blacks that most competitive 3LCD or DLP projectors at its price range just can't match. Streaming 4K content to a high-quality projector like a VW295 can put your home network to the test. And sometimes the image may be a little blurry because of changes in your internet speed. With a Kaleidescape Strato player, the content is downloaded, which eliminates this issue. The player is also HDR10 compatible. This ensures that your projector will deliver consistent, beautiful-looking HDR content as well. Playing back 4K content utilizing a Kaleidescape player means that you get to take advantage of all of the resolution you paid for. A great screen is another thing that you simply cannot skimp on when designing a good home theater. For this system, we recommend a Screen Innovations 100-inch Solo Pro 2 screen, which is ideal for folks who want to get the most from their new projection system. The SI Solo Pro 2 is also available in 12 different screen materials, which allows you to optimize the picture quality of your specific projector in your room. In addition, the Solo Pro 2 screen is also available with an optional built-in lithium-ion battery. While this increases the purchase price of the unit, it simplifies installation while dramatically reducing the labor costs, since you don't have to hire an electrician to run power to a motorized screen. In this system, we spec the 100-inch screen, but if you're looking for something larger, the Solo Pro 2 screen is available in sizes up to 160 inches. As we discussed earlier, your source device is probably the most overlooked component in your system. For this system, we recommend the ultimate source, a Kaleidescape Strato S 12 terabyte. This compact, one rack mount tall device enables you to store hundreds of movies at their full fidelity. So if you're making a $30,000 investment in a system, it is safe to assume that you're an enthusiast and likely collect movies. But remember, you can also rent movies as well. One of the main benefits of a Kaleidescape is having all of your content located in one place so it's easy to find, which is why we recommend the larger 12 terabyte version. So now let's talk about the second system, which retails for about $15,000. So this system is still not entry level, but it's far more attainable because it's half the price of the first system, but you can still expect a high quality surround sound experience. For this system, we chose a Denon Receiver, the X4700. This receiver supports the popular surround sound formats, including Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and IMAX Enhanced. This receiver also supports 4K at 120 frames per second and 8K 60 content, which ensures that as video content gets better, your AVR is ready. Once again, for this system, we chose Definitive Technology BP9000 speakers. This is because the built-in subwoofers make them an unbeatable bargain for home theater. However, we utilize smaller models to reduce the system's price. The mains still incorporate integrated height speakers, which, as I mentioned, reduces the installation cost while still adding the height effects to give you an immersive 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos or DTS:X experience. For this system, we elected to utilize Epson's highly regarded 5050 UB projector. This award-winning 4K compatible model delivers great image quality, 2600 lumens at a price point that is more digestible for someone with a smaller budget. For this system, we recommend the Elite Screen's AEON 100-inch model. Since this screen is fixed, it does offer less flexibility than the motorized screen innovation model that we recommended for the higher end home theater setup. But it does offer everything you need to ensure that the Epson 5050 UB can really bring your content to life. This screen is also available in several screen materials as well, so you can optimize the viewing experience for your projector in your room. The movie player we went with was a Kaleidescape Strato S 6 terabyte, which is identical to the model we recommended in the previous home theater package, but it just has less storage. While this does bring down the overall system cost, it may be worth it to considering leveling up to the 12 terabyte model, given the price difference is only $3,000 for double the storage space. Few things suck more than running out of space. Of course, there are additional storage and playback zone options available from Kaleidescape that can be added to your system in the future as your needs grow. These two systems are just designed to give you an idea of what you can do based on your budget. But there is an endless array of options that are available to you to build the home theater of your dreams. The cost of a Kaleidescape player is going to be higher than many other sources, but it will deliver a more consistent, better home theater experience. Between the physical disc purchases, streaming monthly fees, and expensive low-quality rentals, you could end up wasting a lot of money on content without the guarantee that that material is going to be in the best quality. This is why I believe a Kaleidescape movie player like a Strato S offers the best bang for your buck. No matter how big the picture or how close to reference your sound system is, a Kaleidescape offers the proper foundation on which to build your system. So remember, whether it's $15,000 or $200,000, great content makes the whole system shine. To learn more about the importance of having a great source for your system, check out our article on projectorreviews.com. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.